This one is one of my favorite for several reasons. Let's talk Ducabike. Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium. On today's jump off, we're gonna do the long-term review of the Ducabike Clear Clutch Oil Bath cover for your Ducati. Highly recommend this mod for several reasons. We're gonna dive into this, and I'm gonna explain to you why you should have it. I got it in the very beginning because I thought it was really dope. It's kind of part of a passage of owning a Ducati where you kind of have the clear clutch cover. Before going any further, quickly, I want to talk about the packaging. It's going to be very well packaged. You're going to have, of course, a colored manual. They're going to also include the bolts that's going to be required for you to install this. I made the error using the one from the OEM, but it does come with black bolts for you to put on. I might as well just admit this right off the bat. This one's definitely a flex mod. From the very jump, okay, it's a complete showstopper. From stop signs, stop lights, where you pull up at a bike meet, people are gonna talk about it, you're gonna be looking at it, pointing at it, just overall curious why you could see the clutch spinning and the pressure plate being actuated. So from that point alone, the cool points for this mod is like way up there for me. It's like really dope. It's fully customizable, so you can get the base at several different colorways: black, red, gold finish, and a natural finish. Then you have the pressure plate you can pick from. It's just really dope just to speak about it, but we'll just get past the cool factor of this mod because it is really simple to do. Okay, you have a couple of bolts. You're gonna take off the casing, the clutch casing, and you're gonna replace them. The tricky thing about doing this mod is making sure you have the torque spec on how much you tighten the actual case cover. Okay, they can be stripped fairly easy if you're not careful, if you over tighten it. So you want to make sure you have that. Make sure you don't overfill the liquid gasket. That way particles don't go rest into your engine. So just the right amount, and make sure it's on the outer edge. You can see in some of the examples, but you should be good to go. The other tip I want to give you, if you are doing this installation, make sure after doing so, you let the bike sit for 24 hours. That way the liquid gasket can cure and you don't have to worry about any leakage. For me, this was one of those mods that I felt would have been challenging at the time, and once I started cracking down and getting into putting on the Ducabike clear clutch cover, it was basically a walk in the park, to be honest. I had a harder time getting the pressure plate rod fit into the new pressure plate. I'd recommend getting one of those press kit. As you're applying pressure, you're turning it. I'm not sure if that's the right name. With the right tool, you can easily place it in the center. As you apply pressure to the pressure plate and then the bearings and the rod, it'll easily flatten it out fairly quickly. When you're putting on the clear glass, you want to make sure you do not touch any areas with your fingers because your oils are gonna be on there. Most people think that you can clean it off afterwards and wipe it down, it should be okay. But on the inside of the clear clutch, if there's any fingerprints that are on there, when you start up the bike, it's gonna cook into the glass. So you wanna make sure that it's nicely wiped, and the way you're holding it to place it on there, you wanna be very clean into the T when you're placing it on there. Get a second hand that's gonna help you. That's gonna make your life a whole lot easier. Now, there are some key things that are very essential to this mod and why I would recommend it to the everyday rider. Myself, I ride through New York City. I hit the mountains when I can. I do as much riding as I can. What ends up happening is that riding a bike like mine through New York City, you're more likely to burn through your clutch or at least kind of grind them down a little bit more because you're constantly actuating the plates all the time. So the beauty of owning the Ducabike clear clutch cover, it gives you amazing access, super quick access for you to do a clutch replacement. Instead of you having to remove the case off and then your pressure plate and then start pulling off the actual plates off for you to replace them, with the Ducabike clear clutch cover, it is a 1, 2, 3 super simple job. You just pull off the clear glass casing on the very front. From there, you can easily undo the pressure plate with a little hook. You can pull off all of the clutch plates one by one from there. It's super easy, and for you to replace them, it's just a matter of following the same steps, putting each one staggered back and forth, and then you close that clear clutch cover. You're pretty much good to go. We're talking about something that would take you 20 minutes at max. So that's pretty quick to do. Now, the other group of people I would recommend doing this mod, if you take your Ducati to the track, of course you're using your clutch all the time. You might be going through clutch plates a little bit more often than usual because you're riding the bike to its peak all the time. You can easily pull to the paddock and open up the clear clutch cover and replace the clutch plates with the right people around you. 10 minutes or so, you'll be in and out of there. I know I've been talking about a lot of the bling factor and how cool this looks and how people attract to it immediately because it's a duck, but this alone makes it worth every penny. Yes, we have to go back with me pointing out a few more things. It's pretty dope. They do reroute the pressure sensor in the Ducabike clear clutch cover. It's fairly easy for you to do. Make sure you move the gasket as well when you are replacing, or at least moving, the pressure sensor. Everything works perfectly fine, no issues there. And again, the Ducabike clear clutch oil bath, some people call it oil bath, clear clutch cover, of course they all apply. Either way, it's dope, right? So it is definitely lighter than the regular engine casing. It's machined out of CNC machine billet aluminum. That's a usual setup for Ducabike. You know, the quality's there. It's gonna be lightweight. If you haven't seen one yet for yourself, trust me when I say this thing is ridiculously dope. And the bonus out of it, most people think is just like a visual mod, but it's not. You know, it makes your life a lot easier. Again, I found this the harsh way where my clutch was slipping a little bit. And come to find out, it's just that for me riding through New York City and constantly actuating my clutch plates, I went through a couple of my gears. Between second and third gear, you would see my clutch slipping a little bit. I want to point out a few more things that makes this unique and really cool. Small little details that are really dope. They're gonna be noticeable to some of the guys that are really into this and some of the people that are eyeing your bike when you pull up, feel me? The spring caps themselves are also customizable by Ducabike. You can either do gold, red, and black. The spring caps on mine are actually black. They're really dope, small little thing that adds personality to the bike. The next step that you can actually do, I know people get like case sliders for their engine casing or clutch casing. If you get the Ducabike oil bath clear clutch cover, you can get a slider by Ducabike, actually, that's machined out of billet aluminum as well. I don't have it on my Ducati Monster. Hopefully down the line I'll throw that on, but with the Motovation USA sliders, I always feel very comfortable. I never felt like I needed to add that extra layer of protection to the casing, but you can get that as well. Quick recap for you, right? If you get the Ducabike clear clutch cover or oil bath cover, you can get the ring to a different color, the base a different color, the spring caps a different color, and you can get yourself a slider that's a different color. So it's up to your imagination how you want to customize this and make it look, or the colorway you want to match with your bike, or with the Olin suspension, or maybe the trellis frame, or maybe the overall color of the bike. So you have a slew of customizability that goes into that. And not to mention, Ducabike themselves sell actual clutch plates that are more durable than your traditional OEM ones. So that's what I'm running on my Ducati Monster. I've actually changed them a couple of years ago, to be honest. I've done this mod for a very long time, and I feel like this long-term overview has been a long time coming. I've had this on the bike early on. And the thing is that I've mentioned this before, when it comes to Motovation USA, what we do here when we throw something on our bikes, we don't just get excited about it and just start raving, letting you know, go and get it. This has been on my bike for, a couple of years now, and I've been seeing the ups and then the downs in regards to owning it. And I'm gonna get to the down part, but there's just so much cool aspect of this. It completely outweighs, and it's just the preference thing, guys, okay? After owning it for several years, I can tell you it's definitely something I highly recommend. Hit the link, check it out, see what works best for your motorcycle. All right, boys and girls, so some of the cons, I think, for me of this mod, doing certain times living in New York City, in the morning, it tends to be a little bit cooler, and then since you could see the oil running through the clear clutch cover, it tends to kind of freeze up a little bit, and it leaves this white residue on the clear glass. Some people find that extremely annoying. It looks a little bit foggy, so that's gonna be in the very beginning when you're gonna start your bike in the morning. You will see that. So that, just a quick heads up, if you're not a big fan of that, that's something for you to know about the clear clutch cover. There will be a little bit of a mist. It's basically because I live on the East Coast and it gets a little cooler in the morning. You do see that. After running the bike for the first 3 to 5 minutes, that's gone. You won't see it again, no issues there. And as the bike is running, you'll never see that little cloudiness. The second thing I would say, you start up the engine, you can see that clear oil running through the oil bath, and it looks great. And it's clear, it's clean, looks really dope, right? After a couple of 1,000 miles, that oil bath spinning, you're gonna start seeing the oil being a little bit brown. As time goes by, you're putting more miles, you will see the oil becoming darker. So there's two ways we can actually take this, right? It's basically a cue to tell you, hey man, you've been running your bike with the same oil for a bit, it's time to change up. That's kind of a pro. The con is that you do get to see it when it's a little bit dingy. Some people might not like that as well. So, it's up to you. See how you like it, and see how you take that. For me, at first, I thought it was like, because I rode the bike a lot. It was going from clear to, a little bit light brown fairly quickly. But as the bike is running, keep that in mind. When the bike is running, you're going through gears, that oil is not splashing on the window. You're mainly seeing the actual clutch plate there actuating, opening and closing, and then you're seeing it spin. So a little bit of the oil you're gonna see splash, but again, it gives you a heads up when for you to change your oil, or at least a general idea when to do it. So some people might not like that. Outside of that, love this thing. One of my favorite mods, and it makes a world of a difference, especially if you're somebody that rides, again, daily, a daily commuter. You're using those clutch plates, you're constantly switching gears. Must have, man. It'll make your life so much easier. Get it. Just get it. The clear glass you're gonna put on comes with a green gasket. Make sure you put a little bit of oil on the clear gasket before putting on the clear glass, okay? That way it creates a nice seal so you don't have any leaks or any kind of sweating. I haven't encountered any of those things, and I've had this thing on for years on my bike, and it's just been perfect, really. It's one of those things that I did and I never thought of again. At first, I was a little afraid to tackle on the task, but I haven't thought about it since then, really. Every time my attention actually goes to the clear clutch cover, it's because someone is talking about it or asking about it or pointing at it, kind of thing. So highly recommend. It's a great option for you out there. So definitely check it out. All right, so I'm going through this and more ideas are coming out of my head, and people has asked question over time. Yes, the Ducabike clear clutch cover do have a sight glass. You will be able to see your oil level for your engine. So just a quick heads up in case somebody were to ask that question, it does have the sight glass. So you're not losing anything from the OEM. You're actually gaining, to be honest, all right? Definitely one of my favorite mods. That stay tuned, you will see that same exact clear clutch cover mod on the Ducati Hypermotard 939 SB. And again, as recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motovation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and World Ride Racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.